Everyone, we're here checking out 108 West Marshall Street, unit number 38. It's a 605 square foot studio. It's perfect, it's awesome, it's updated, it's really great. This building behind me, 101 West Marshall, it used to be the Emmerich Chevrolet building back in the day, and it's now converted into these condos. And check out that sweet mural. It's actually done by Hamilton Glass. Let's head inside and check it out. Welcome to unit 38, come on in. One great feature about this building is it has super safe and secure access. You gotta have a key fob to get in. Works on a door just to this entryway. And then this brings you straight to the elevator where you can take that right up to your floor. Convenient, easy, it's great. Schedule a showing today and we're getting out of here. Oh wait, we didn't show you the rooftop. Let's go.